Hey everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video we are going to learn how to change the language setting on cTrader application using your mobile device. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. First, launch open the cTrader app on your smartphone or tablets and log into your account. Once logged in, from the home screen go to the top left corner and tap on the cTrader logo. Now from the expanded menu, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, tap on the language option and then choose a different language from the available menu. After making a selection, you will see that your cTrader interface has now been changed to your selected language option. You can always get back to the same menu and make your selection of a different language whenever you want. So there you have it. That's how easy and simple it is to change your language setting to your preference on cTrader app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next episode. Thanks.